everyone that registered. So everyone that registered is going to get this recording and a link to all the products that we use today. Okay, let's get started. Denise is going to walk us through how to create a beautiful shimmery blue gray spring
silver. It's a silver evening look.
Yeah,
it's pretty glammy.
An April showers look.
April showers. All right, I'm going to start by putting a eye shield on here so that I don't get this everywhere.
I'm just going to pin myself really quick. Yes, an eye shield. And fun fact, a lot of you guys received a subscription recently, and in the subscription are these eye shields. So, you know, if you're at home and you have tape, go for it. But if you have the April subscription box with you, go ahead and grab out the eye shields. Now she's going in with the product called Fountain. This is a kind of a blue slate color that you're going to find in our City Lights palette. It's the one palette that has blues and silvers and pinks and like kind of like orangish colors, and it's so pretty. And it also has a shade in there that really is the star of this look tonight, Atlantis. And the Atlantis look is going to bring you those beautiful shimmers. So what color are you going in with now? Is that the Atlantis?
This is the Atlantis.
That's the Atlantis. I'm going to have to get really close. So the Atlantis is a mixture of blue and silver. So on the invite you guys saw, bring a blue or bring a blue shimmer. Or if you have the Atlantis palette, you can just get the best of both worlds right in one palette.
And if you see what I do is I bring in my colors. I put a block, I got my dark color out here. I'm putting my medium color in here.
And you're not even really blending it. You're just patting it on right now.
I'm patting it in right now. And then I'm going to add my third color, which is, I don't remember what this one is.
Oh, this one's Milky Way. And that one is actually from a different palette called Space Out. It's another shimmer.
Oops.
And we're going to be using it for a little bit of highlight. So if you have that silver color that you brought with you, this is perfect. We also have another shimmer shade in.
All right, now we begin blending.
Now we blend. Okay, so she kind of did 3 applications. She did the dark, and then she went with the silvery blue in the center. And then in the inner corner, she put that either silver, or in this case, we use kind of a soft shimmery white that is the Milky Way tone. And now when you're blending, are you blending swirling inwards or swirling outwards?
You're swirling inward because you've already got your line out here.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to bring that in.
Perfect.
My brush off a little bit.
Oh, and you're really getting that cat eye look that really comes with the
and then we're going to keep blending in until we get these all together.
So simple. So you did 3 lines.
I did 3 separate colors. And now I'm just blending them together to make a mush.
And if you'll notice, she didn't go up and down with her lines. She kind of went at a curve again to get that cat eye effect.
Mm-hmm.
So simple. And don't be afraid to dig in there with the colors, you guys.
Okay, now to this eye, I need you to look way up, baby.
Way up. Oh, we're gonna get smoky.
I'm gonna get a little smoky.
We're getting smoky.
You can't have this look and just it stop right at this line here. So all right, now we're going to come in with our silver.
Oh, this is so much fun. Look at the difference. I love the before and after effect. Okay, this is the star, another star of the show. So we have the Atlantis, but we also have this beautiful waterproof body glitter. And this is, of course, it comes in 4 different shades, but this is silver. And it just really adds to the April showers look, the April showers theme.
Okay, now you don't want to tap this out because you will tap all the glitter off.
You don't want to get it on your finger.
Like I do.
It's definitely buildable though. I have seen different people blend. If it's wet, you can blend with it.
Yeah, you can blend this out and it's just a light shimmer like this. It's gorgeous. But for this look, we want it pretty solid. And then we're going to let that dry for a second. Then we're going to get on some liner and lashes and watch this look pop.
This look definitely has the liquid liner wing going. Okay, yeah, let's remove those now. Perfect. What?
Okay, now
out here.
Now I'm going to blend a little bit right here so this isn't so harsh.
Okay, cool. And now are you doing a color? Or is that just a cleaned brush?
I'm
or-
just cleaning up with my brush.
Okay.
No
cool.
color.
No color. And if you guys are worried about going in with the same brush, there's a product called the brushy cleaning thingy. I know a lot of you guys have this. It's just a material that really cleans your brush off when you swirl it. So you can go in with different colors with the same brush. You guys, look at how fabulous this is.
Okay, now I'm going to need you to turn towards me so I can get this liner going.
Oh, you got it. Okay.
I just need a little bit, guys.
So, okay, I'll talk afterwards.
I need you to raise your eyebrows for me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stay there. We're going to do a bit of a cat eye.
Mm-hmm.
And let that dry. And then we're going to put a second coat on.
So you guys, this is liquid liner because this look calls for a nice liquid wing, but it's also magnetic, which is something that we're super famous for, is inventing products. And one of our most famous inventions is, of course, magnetic eyeliner. So it's always fun to add lashes, especially to a look that is so beautiful and sparkly and glam. Wow. I mean, my eye just looks so much more open.
Yep. And so while we're waiting for that liner dry, I'm going to have you apply this little lip gloss that came in your box.
So these also come, a lot of you guys got our subscription this month. This also came in it. So a lot of you are actually asking, what is the flavor? What is the scent?
It smells good and it tastes good, but what is
it? Yes, that's one of my favorite things is these custom lip glosses taste and smell delicious. Can any of you guys guess in the comments what for those of you that have this, what flavor this was and scent? And there's a little bit of a sparkle to it, kind of like rain. Okay.
I'm going to come back in and add another layer of liner as
yes,
for the directions for this liner. Second coat. Resharpen.
All right. And that's a pro tip as well. When you're applying liner to yourself or to someone else, if you raise your eyebrow, you're going to get even closer to your lash line. Yep. Maybe you're having a little bit of a hard time getting really close and you're seeing a gap. Raise the eyebrow and you're going to be able to get it right in there. And then when you lower your eyebrow, your lid will come down just a little bit. So another pro tip from Denise herself. She's always teaching me things.
This is how I get false eyelashes on so that they don't look out of place, is by raising that eyelid up as high as you can, by raising those eyebrows while you're getting done. Your eye is looking gorgeous.
Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah. I do have a meeting after this too. So
well, we'll have to do the other eye. All right, we're gonna let that dry. How are we doing there?
So perfect. Yeah, typically you'll want to let your liquid liner, your magnetic liner dry.
Let me see this.
2 minutes.
I'm just blending you out a little bit more.
No worries. A little blending solves all things.
That is so beautiful.
Yes. Sassy Cassie Ray. Hey girl, we do see your comments. Yes. So only commenting and chats are enabled for the host and co-host, just to keep our room nice and safe.
All right. I'm going to trim your lash down because we're using spring flowers here.
Okay.
Do you trim your lashes?
I do usually trim my lashes like 1 or 2 max. So they come with 10 magnets.
Let me go.
But we can go for it. Sometimes I don't. Like Wonder Lash doesn't need a trim. So
all right. Well, let's
different day, different lash.
Sometimes they stay on much better if they're fitted to your eye right.
Awesome. I don't see any questions from the chat right now.
Did anybody guess blueberry?
Oh, we forgot to tell you the flavor and the scent of the lip gloss in the April subscription is blueberry, and it tastes and smells so good.
Okay.
Raise my eyebrow again. Do nothing, of course. Voila. I think we need a little bit of liner maybe on the inner corner.
Yeah. See, here's what I'm going to go a little deeper in your inner corner.
My inner corner. I'll go towards you. You always want to make sure to get that liner.
Yeah, on all the way to the inner corner, because if you don't, then your lash sits too far out.
To do on someone else too.
It is.
With your eyes closed.
Okay. Raise your eyebrow.
There we go. I feel it going on the inner corner.
Okay.
There we go.
Now we're going to let that dry again.
So famous. So with the inner corner, especially when you're applying it on yourself, the best way to apply a liquid liner is to tilt your head back and just apply as such with your eye nice and relaxed. But when you're applying to someone else, your eyes close and sometimes really tightly.
Usually I prefer for people to look down and not close your eye, because when you close your eye, you do get that fold crease that
Yes.
it's hard to get to that inner corner. So she's right. The best way to do that is by looking back and keeping your eye open, slightly open, to get in that corner there.
Yes. Oh, and fun fact, before we came on, we already did a base. We did the highlight, we did concealer, and we also did foundation with our Element line. So if you're looking for an incredible foundation, reach out to whoever invited you tonight, because they are going to have the answers to everything that you need. There, of course, will be a replay with this super quick tutorial follow-up and an image of all the products that we use today, so you know what to ask for when you reach out to whoever invited you tonight. Okay. Can you still order April subscription? I missed. Yes, you can order the April subscription through April 14th. And then starting April 15th, we send out May's subscription. So there's still time. Most definitely. Great question.
Okay, let's see if we can get this on now.
Okay. Where's my eyebrows?
Don't close your eye completely.
Oh, don't close my eye completely.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Oh, there we go. Oh, my word. Those are some thick, beautiful lashes. Okay, in the subscription, there's a really fun, I'm not going to show it to you guys because it's a lash we have never launched. So I'm going to be very, oh, I should show it to you guys. I probably shouldn't show the,
Go ahead.
you know what? We're just going to, okay, so it's very fun. It's very wispy. It's called Eye Candy, and it has a nice little wing. But for this look, we wanted to go more thick, more bold. And so we're using a limited time lash called Spring Flowers. You get this in the subscription, and you can find it on the website as well. All right, you guys. With only a minute to spare, we have completed our April showers look. This is so much fun. Thank you guys so much for tuning in tonight. We are going to see you back in 2 weeks for another fun 15-minute makeup masterclass. But again, my name is Megan, and with me is Denise.
Bye, guys.
We'll talk to you later. Bye.